Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Xfinity channel subscription in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand this. The Xfinity channel subscriptions are usually the monthly add-ons, so you can cancel them anytime, but they may stay active until the end of the billing cycle. So in order to cancel them, first of all, you need to come here on xfinity.com. You can access it via your web browser, and you can also basically log into the Xfinity application on your phone. So when you are here, simply click on the sign in option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to sign in into your Xfinity account if you haven't already. So once you sign in, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. So here in the overview section, you are going to see all of the details about your subscriptions. So you can click on the option of billing. Afterward, inside billing, simply select the option of manage premium channels. So when you select this particular option, you are going to see all of the extra channels or premium services. So you just have to click on the option of view details right next to it. Then when you do this, you just have to look for the option that says cancel. So once you tap on the option of cancel, you just have to confirm your choice and follow further on-screen steps in order to confirm the cancellation successfully. Once it is done, you will usually get a confirmation message or email. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.